Hello guys, should I give you a tour of my 2 days baking? Okay, so there's some baguettes getting ready. This is olive oil, herbs and olive focaccia. I'm gonna put it in a mold and bake it in a minute. The laminated brioche. Super light, very light. Brioche pudding with raisins, some cookies, apple lattice. This is delicious. I caramelized the apple. It's gonna be very nice. Basic tarts, apple and custard. I've done some biscuits yesterday, some little biscotti with almond and hazelnut, and also a little lemon and cinnamon shortbread. Sell it in a bag like that. Here we have plum and custard brioche, the plain brioche with the nib sugar, raspberry brownies, cinnamon and custard brioche, pain au raisin. Oh yes, I've made some flat jack yesterday. Flat jack with beautiful pecan nuts and hazelnut. The classic almond croissant and hazelnut pain au chocolat. Oh, and over here, the sourdough. Ah, yes. I love when it cracks like that. Beautiful. Sourdough. It's all good. What's going on here? Oh, yes, this is a little wholemeal fig and dry apricot roll with seeds on top. They are proving right now. With those, I'm gonna make the sandwich of today with melted brie cheese, bacon, and this beautiful fig and apricot roll. That's all guys, see you soon!